We'll guide you through how to use the Grindstone in Minecraft. If you find this useful, then please consider subscribing and liking the video. The Grindstone is a really useful block, so first of all we need to go and craft it. To do that, come to a crafting table, and what you're going to go and need are 3 pieces of stone, and you can go and get these from smelting 3 blocks of cobblestone, place them in a row, and you'll get stone slabs. Next, you'll need a log, place that in a crafting table to get planks. Place 2 planks in a crafting table to get sticks, and place those sticks in the top left and top right slots, and below the sticks go and place the 2 planks. Then in the middle at the top, place a stone slab and you'll get yourself a grindstone. Then what you can do is go and place it and we can go and start using it. So with a grindstone, you can go and repair and disenchant items. So let's say you want to remove an enchantment from an item. Place your enchanted tool or whatever it is into the grindstone, and as you can see, it will then go and remove it. You can take it and you can then go and enchant it again or do something else with it, whatever. If you want to go and repair an item, you can go and do that. All you need to do is go and put it into the grindstone, and then with another item we can put it in there, and then we can go and repair it. It's important to note though that that will go and remove enchantments. If there are any, these aren't in this case, but if they were, it would go and remove them. And that's it. So overall, a grindstone is slightly similar to an anvil. It's got slightly different and maybe less features, but it's a lot easier to craft than an anvil. If you found this useful, then leave a like.